Hello guys, welcome to Cryptus Cybersecurity YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can start your bug hunting journey in the field of cybersecurity. So today I will show you the three most popular bug hunting websites where you can find free programs and start your journey as a bug hunter. So let's go into the browser and we will search for the first website, that is Hackerone. So as you can see, this is our first website, Hackerone. It is a great website. It has many programs that run continuously. So to find the program, we have to go in the dash in the Hackerone bar and go into opportunities. Here you can see campaign, top paying opportunities, and you can select any company you want to start the testing on. Here you can see details, and here all the details of the bug hunting program is given, and you have to act accordingly. So here you can see what are in scope, what is out of scope, what are the domains that are in scope, and it is a very great website to start your journey as a bug hunter. Here we can go into activity tab, and then we can see the reports that are made public or that have been disclosed, and we can get a view of how to find a bug. See, as you can see, it is a critical bug, and we have a guide that we have a step-by-step guide on how to trigger this payload, but it is made public when the report is disclosed or the issue has been resolved. Here there are many tabs where you can find and see where we can find different programs. Here is a directory tab where we can find more programs. We can search the programs by filtering out many things. Here you can filter out the things that you want to search, and the programs will continue to scroll. So this was our first website, that is Hackerone. Now we will go on to our second website, that is Bugcrowd. So Bugcrowd is also a very good website to start your bug hunting journey. Now we have to go to the, as you can see, there is no programs of bug hunting. We have to go into the top bar and search here, that is program. We have to click on it, and it will take us to a new window that will tell us the program that are currently running. So as you can see, here we can see that these companies are currently running a bug bounty program, and it is also a great list. As you can see, Tesla, Redox, many big companies is running on this website. So here are many program, as you can see. Now we will see what is in the dashboard. Here you can see your activity that you have currently done. As you can see, this is my new account, so there is no activity, and we can see the leaderboard who is on the top, hit their points, and we can also see the stream, that what is the cloud stream on the program. So we can do this by clicking on this cloud stream program. It will show the cloud stream, show the disclosed submission and accepted submission. So it is also a great website to start your bug hunting journey, as it gives great payment and the bounty is also great. Now we will go on to our third website, That is also a very popular website, and its name is Intigriti. It is also a great website. As you can see the status of the program. As you can see, the Ubisoft program is suspended, and these programs are open. You can click on open program, and here you can join the program. Down below you can see what are the qualification that you need to do to apply to the program. So this is also a great website, and in inbox you will see the what are the replies on your report. As you can see, this is also my new account on this website. So here is no submissions. So these three are very great website to start your journey as a bug bounty hunter. First is Hackerone, second is Bugcrowd, and third is Intigriti. So that's it for today video. Thank you for watching.